Good morning, everybody. KT here with Wise Images Photography, and I want to say welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you've ever been to my channel, if you are coming back, thank you so much for coming back. I know that my channel has slowed down quite a bit. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and kind of give you guys brief summary of what's happened in the past, because a lot of you guys know if you guys are returning. But those who are new, just kind of let you guys, fill you guys in where I've been and where I plan on taking the channel. That is what I want to go ahead and talk about today. So for those of you who have just tuned in for the very first time, this channel is about nature photography and going on fun-filled adventures. When I started the channel, I started back in July of 2022, yeah, because we're in 2022. I got hit with COVID. After COVID, couldn't breathe for a couple months. After that, I had 4 laser surgeries and 6 procedures done just on my legs, which pretty much left me immobile or lack of mobility, barely able to move. I had to use some crutches and canes to get around. Then I had my back cut into, and then I had a major abdominal surgery. And also, while all that was going on, I was working my full-time job. I was also pumping out about 1 video per week for YouTube. I was taking on as I could, which really honestly was maybe only 2 or 3 actual photo sessions throughout that time, just because I was really starting to lose my mobility. And then after, while all that was going on, I was also being monitored for like 3 different cancers. I'm cancer free, so that's good. Yay! That's a good news one right there. And then also too, I had like multiple deaths, and some of those deaths were major deaths. They were people who were very close to me, and one of which was one of my moms. I'm blessed. I had 4 parents, and now I have 3. So needless to say, I'm going to go ahead and keep on going before I start crying. So we're going to look away for a second. And needless to say, it was a lot, and lost a lot of my closest friends, people that I talk to on a regular basis. And so needless to say, I was having a lot of healing problems, and I would throw in a couple of infections too. I forgot to mention that. So there was a lot going on, and I've been, those who have been around for a while have noticed that I went from producing videos like every single week to about every 3 weeks. And I want to say thank you with Veniac, Larry. I know there's a couple other of you who have been tuning in on a regular basis, and I appreciate that so much. And the constant cheering on, because it has been difficult. And a lot of my friends have kind of reminded me that, hey, dude, you've been through a lot and you need to be patient. I went from being a very active person, working out about 8 hours a week, to not being able to work out. The reason why I had pumped up how much I was working out was because I felt like I was not being a role model for my students, being a PE and a health teacher, and I felt like I had gained a lot of weight, and so this was prior to all the surgeries and stuff like that. And so I lost all this weight because I wanted to be a better role model for my kids, and practice what I was preaching. So needless to say, this year has been like crazy on me, and all my students have been so kind with the fact that I have not been able to do things that I normally have been able to do with them, and they've been very patient and check in with me and make sure that I'm okay health-wise and stuff, which I think is really it's really sweet, and it's really nice. Kids really do care. But anyways, I digress. So where does that leave us with the channel? I am getting stronger and stronger every single day. Thank goodness. It's a good thing. I was finally able to, I did go on a hike the other day. That was fantastic. My dad gave me my mom's e-bike. So I was able to go on a bike ride. I did 3 miles last week. I used to do 15 per week, but now, hey, 3 miles, I will take it. Cannot do the regular bike. It puts me into a whirlwind of pain. routine. So right now it's just really about figuring out what I can do and what I can't do. So with that said, what my goal is with the channel is that we go ahead and do like at least two videos per month is what my goal is with the channel for right now. I just want to kind of slowly get back into the swing of things, and every single day I feel like my stamina is getting better. It's still not where I would like it to be, but it is definitely getting better. So I hope that whatever holiday, like I hope all of you guys are getting through this holiday season well, because almost everybody I talk to, something is going on, right? So I hope that whatever you are going through, that you find the strength to go ahead and get through it. And I hope that you have loving friends, like I have been blessed with tons of loving friends. And I hope that you guys have loving friends to help you guys out and get you guys through whatever it is. So happy holidays to whatever you go ahead and celebrate, guys. Also, I hope that you guys have a happy new year, and I'm looking forward to hanging out with you guys. I have a video that's coming up. I'm excited about sharing this video because, man, the other day I was out trying to do some photography. Just recently, the past couple, I've been able to pick up my big camera finally, but I've noticed a lot of the things that I'm going to go over in this video. I am noticing with practicing how important it is to practice, because, you know, not having, oh, there's Rocky. Did he go? Yes, yes. You guys got to see Rocky. I don't know if you guys saw that bird. That is Rocky. Oh, he's coming around. He's coming in. Oh, come back and shot Rocky. Nope, he went up in the tree. I love Rocky. Rocky he's a rock pigeon, but he's like a rock pigeon I've never ever seen in my entire life, because he's like almost you can see like a little bit of like the teal color here, and then down on his chest is more brown, and then he's got white in him. And then when you look at his back, he has like a little heart. It is like so adorable. But anyways, and every time he's come around, it's always been like not the best lighting, so I have not been able to get a good picture of him yet. And plus I have not been picking up my camera all the time either. But anyway, so I don't know where he went. Okay, all right, so oh, I'm so glad that you guys got to see him in shot. Okay, where was I? I was telling you guys, I hope that you guys are doing well. That's basically it. I want to make sure you guys are doing well. And I'm like so excited that you guys got to see Rocky. Oh, I sometimes crack myself up. Okay, all right, focus, KT. I am focusing for you guys now. All right, so needless to say, I hope that your holiday season goes well, and if you are going through something rough, that you find that grace, and I hope that you have loving friends around you to just surround you with love and help kind of carry you along, guys. And so just remember that you guys are awesome. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the week. Oh, real quick, if you have not grabbed your calendar, make sure you hit the link below, because I am starting to run out of calendars. We're getting towards the end of the barrel. So if you've not grabbed your calendar, make sure you grab it. And I'll see you later, alligator.